Spring is here! Finally, some highlights from the last retreats for you to get a sense of what it's like, some of the best moments, the most delicious moments, the funniest moments. So enjoy it and message me if you would love to join. So good. I feel so relaxed.
Alexa!
It's really good.
Right?
It's so good.
It's blissful. I just absolutely love this elixir and I will be making it. This is delicious. Like, I'm in love with it. It smells so good. It's amazing.
So excited.
A fresh lemon tahini sauce with maple.
Cheers.
And this cheese.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh my god.
There's no need to eat cheese anymore.
We're just gonna flow and we're gonna start putting whatever we feel like eating on the counter and we're gonna see what happens. Spaghetti squash. Open it and then it's like spaghetti. There's so much nutrition in the actual beet greens.
And they are so good.
Styrian gold pumpkin seed oil. Herminer is amazing.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't excite you, let's put it back for now because I want you guys to be like, yeah, I want that. Put herbs on everything. Cilantro, parsley, basil, mint, sprouts. Put that on everything.
I can't wait to eat.
Oh well.
I'll be watching.
Yeah.
It really helps create that sense of feeling of gratitude for what we eat.
Just wrote down some morning and evening routines. Getting back into journaling.
Total same. And I'll keep the journal by my bed so I do it before I get up. And then I have a face mask. I am so all about this.
Bad habits to be broken and replaced with good habits. So thank you, Katie, for organizing this. It was really, really great.
I feel lighter with enthusiasm to go to my kitchen and do stuff.
I'm just so grounded and inspired. Thank you.
It's such a high vibration. I'm in such bliss. Every part of myself feels so excited and well nourished. Thank you, Katie, teaching us how much fun cooking can be instead of like a chore.
Your retreat experience was really incredible for me. I didn't realize how much fun it could be. Really do make it a joyful experience for anybody, and you make them feel at home right away.
We just did a grocery tour and we got all the goodies that we need. Yes, that's the one.
We just finished a beautiful retreat with Katie. I'm so excited because I have everything.
Yes.
I'm pumped. I'm gonna go home and start making an elixir.
And I feel so empowered that I'm gonna go and do it at home as opposed to just watching her do it, which is really nice.
After a beautiful day with Katie, I feel very nourished, uplifted, connected, have some fun new recipes to try at home, embracing a healthy lifestyle. I definitely encourage whoever wants to come to do it.